There was a time in my life when things were very hard. My mother lost her job and feeding 5 children every day was not easy. But somehow, we never went to bed hungry. Somehow, there was always food on the table. One of the meals I will never forget is Edikang Ikong soup. It was more than just soup. It was survival. When we didn't have meat, she used dry fish. When we didn't have much oil, she made it work with just a little. And when there was no garri, she gave us the soup with rice. And we still lick our fingers. I remember sitting on a wooden stool beside her as she cooked. The sound of the bubbling pot, the smell of the pumpkin leaf mixed with Waterleaf, the scent alone could make your stomach dance. Even the neighbors could peep through the windows and ask, "Mama, this your food done ready?" She will smile and say, "You know Edikang Ikong no dey rush." And that is true. This soup is not for rushing. It is slow cooked. That good things takes time. That you don't need everything to make something beautiful. You just need a heart, patience and love. Now that I'm grown, I cook Edikang Ikong in my home kitchen. Sometimes I have more than enough. Sometimes I still struggle. But this soup always reminds me of where I come from. Of a small woman who didn't give up, and of the simple meal that carries us through the hard times. So when you eat Edikang Ikong, remember, it is not just soup. Comfort, it's culture, and most of all, it is love in a pot. If this story reminds you of someone special or a moment in your life, share it in the comments. Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe for more soul-touching story and delicious African meals. And if you are cooking Edikang Ikong this week, tag us. We love to see your version. I'm Chef Nisi and I would love to see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.